Hey, this is Akash and you are watching Technology The Killer. So guys, in today's video series, I am going to tell you about the use of emmet abbreviations in Visual Studio Code. So yes guys, if you are using Visual Studio Code, so also maybe you are having some problem with HTML, because emmet abbreviations help us to create a boilerplate of HTML, so it solves our problem. So guys, before starting this, if you are new in my channel and still you have not subscribed it, so first of all subscribe it and hit the bell icon so that you can get the latest update from my YouTube channel. So guys, please let's begin it. So now I'm going to our Visual Studio Code and I'm going to create here a new file. So let's make it a file like a emmet abbreviations, emmet.html, html. So guys, as you can see here that I am going to write here doc type, but it is not suggesting me to for a boilerplate, and I'm using h1 tag, but it is not working. So guys, what we have to do for that, so to use emmet abbreviation, we will first click on the gear icon and then go to setting options, and you will see an options which is extensions. So you will go in the extension, then we'll go emmet abbreviations options. So you will see here that there is one options of emmet tag. So you can see here that it is edit in setting dot emmet. So what you have to write here, that in the double quotes you have to simply write here emmet dot trigger expansions on tab, and we have to simply use here colon, and we have to write here true and comma. Then we will go to next line and we will write here in the double quotes files dot associations. You can see here that it is suggesting me for associations. Now we will write here in the double quotes inside the asterisk HTML, and in column we will write here again HTML. So as you can see here that my extensions has been successfully completed. So let's go to our file which I have created here. So now I'm going to write a doc. So as you can see here that it is suggesting me for HTML body, I'm going to use h1 tag and it is suggesting me. You can see here that now it is working. So guys, how was my video? So guys, if you like the video, so please thumbs up and do your valuable comment, and don't forget to share and subscribe my channel, and thanks for watching.